Thailand cancels more than 300 flights due to the Middle East crisis.
This was the news 2 days ago. Thailand cancelled more than 300 flights because of the Middle East crisis. Even flights in Australia were stopped, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. 5 days ago, this dominated global headlines. Thousands of flights cancelled across the world.
More than 1 million passengers have been affected by flight cancellations since the United States and Israel launched strikes on Iran over the weekend.
Yep, more than 1 million passengers affected and tens of thousands of flights cancelled.
The Iranians are targeting the airports to create political pressure as they slow down commerce, they slow down business.
Meaning governments all over the world cannot suspend reality, common sense, and logic just to play the hero.
Kadali magpadala ng eroplano eh.
Pero putang ina, may isang siraulo sa Pinas na gustong maging presidente na nagsasabing napakadali lang daw magpadala ng eroplano at kinumpara pa ang COVID situation sa Pinas as if may kontrol ang gobyerno dito sa giyera sa Middle East.
Sa totoo lang, alam niyo ba nung COVID na panahon, madami ang na-stranded na mga tiga Davao City dito sa Manila? Napakadali. Nagkontrata kami ng commercial airline. Sabi namin, isasakay namin sila lahat, babayaran namin kayo using COVID funds. So, ilang beses namin ginawa yun.
If this super stupid statement from this lunatic woman is not disqualifying for a presidential run, we don't know what is.
Nagtrata kami sa commercial airlines, lumipad yung commercial airlines, doon sinakay lahat ng na-stranded na tiga Davao City na cleared na magbiyahe or inallow na doon mag-quarantine sa Davao City, nilipad namin. Hindi lang 100, hindi lang 200 na mga individual ang nilipad namin noong panahon na yon. At hindi lang mga tiga Davao City. Meron pa kaming iba na kapitbahay lang ng Davao City pero sabi namin, sige sumakay na kayo, basta mag-quarantine lang kayo according to sa sinabi ng doktor dito sa labas ng Davao Airport. Tapos pwede na kayong magsiuwian kung saan. Hindi ganyan kahirap magpadala ng eroplano kung saan mo gusto kumuha or mag-rescue ng tao.
Kaya alam, VP, sarado ang airspace. Tsaka baka daw pabagsakin yung aeroplano.
Hindi kasi yung isang kaibigan ko galing Dubai, papauwi na siya kasi nagbukas na yung siguro limitado